So it's got an open space with a very large dinette. This one, unlike one of the other ones I showed earlier, you can comfortably seat some big people and little people, and it has storage as well with a good sized tabletop. Some of them are very narrow and this one's a better size. Beautiful comfy recliner, beautiful fireplace, TV cabinet with storage, and a nice kitchen area, big refrigerator freezer. Now, this is cool. So you have a bunk area, and they are full-size bunks, not twin. And it has a pocket style door, so you can close that off for the kids to sleep, and then everyone else has their space. And you can come on in and look at these bunks in here with storage area. It's really nice. Now, back to the other side, you have an open, large restroom that has a pocket-style door that closes. Then when you come through to the other side, it's the big people suite. You got a big bed. I think this is a king-size bed, actually.
It is a king-size.
Yeah, this is a large bed. Really nice. And it still feels open because you have the middle of the way open. And you can either close off the pocket door on the other side or keep it open. And you have a beautiful window over your bed. That's unusual. And on either side of the bed. Pretty flooring and trim. A shower stall. That there's one on the other side that we should check out too. Beautiful faucet and features in here.
It feels like home.
Yeah, this is a nice homey one for sure. So it's similar to other ones we've seen, but this one's very, very open. And it has a big entertainment center, larger than some of the others. Look at the size of this TV. And then you can see the bedroom right where David is on either side. Hello. With good storage, pocket doors to close it off. There's a TV mounting bracket, so you can put a TV right here for the parents. Then coming back out here, that's a nice sofa that I think also folds out futon style. This is a slide out here. Beautiful kitchen space. You have a good dinette. You have, here's the cool part for kids. So you have a bathroom here. Nice bathroom. Then storage. Closet storage. You have a pocket door. And this is actually a little room here with bunks. So I'm going to step out so you can see. David's going to show you the tour for kids, how awesome that is. It has lots of sleeping area, 3 beds, and then an open area that you could use just for toys or for desks, for lounge seating area. This is like its own little cubby that you can actually close off. It's a nice space. This is a good one for kids. This is a really good one for kids. 29. I think this might be up there with probably like a top 3. This would be one of the top 3 for families with little kids. Heartland Sundance.
Where's the word used?
Just in the corner. Oh, yeah. This would be the Heartland Sundance company. I like. So this is a really nice storage closet for musicians too. Cello, probably a bass, a bunch of violins.
Yeah.
All kinds of stuff you could fit in there. Guitars. And the bedroom has the closet cabinets like what we have. Are great for storage of clothing, hanging. You can walk around.
Yeah, the walk around area is good.
Yeah, it's better than some of the other ones. You can get fully around. And I think, yeah, they have mounting brackets for a TV for the corner here. I remember seeing, I think we saw this one on paper, online. We never saw it in person. But this is nice for a family, someone with kids. Look at the nice kitchen area, cabinets, nice TV area with a pull-out sofa probably, and fireplace, TV. Good size refrigerator, just like what we have. Oh, this is a bigger dinette actually. So this sits 3 people on each side. So instead of having the cubby part on the window, you can seat more, especially if you have kids. The flooring's nice. Bathroom. Yeah, that's kind of like our bathroom actually. Similar, very similar.
Look at that back bunkers.
Yes, now this is what I was talking about for kids or old people if you take them with you. Work area, office area, homeschooling area, extra dinette, storage, beds, 3 beds. And I think you can reconfigure it too, like if you didn't want to use the bed, you can fold them up, make it into a different situation. But these are nice. Storage underneath, cabinet here, TV mounting bracket. Come on in and show it around, Dougie. I think these are Florida prices though. This one's $44,000.
It's not bad though for what you get.
But yeah, you definitely. This is much better for a family. I have been so surprised today. I've never seen fifth wheels in person inside before, and I would have assumed having so much space at a premium price, they would target people with a family situation. I have not found one yet here that was for a family. They are targeted for couples living a luxury lifestyle, living it up, not simply, but with a lot of space for stuff. And that's just not what I was expecting to see. So this is one of the few that we've seen today that have bunks and set up for family living situations. And that's kind of what we were interested in finding today to show our friends. Space is better spent for children. If you have children, it's a better option for the kids, maybe than the parents. That looks like fun for kids. You're okay with this? Now, this is the coolest part to me of the whole camper. If you're a kid or even a teenager or anybody, an older person, this would be a nice spot to hang out with your family. You can close it off, and there's plenty of neat space and cubbies to use. So utilize in different ways because you can lift these up and reconfigure things. This is cool. Here's another cool one for people with little kids. Come on in. I don't like this one. It's the open concept for the parents, the big people. No wall, plenty of space and storage and bed. Open to this beautiful cabin here. And you can see your little ones right there on those 2 bunks. And you should probably get it from back here too, because you can see nice table storage. Look at this! Cute little kids bunk. Or storage, depending on what you need. But they're full-length bunks. Some of the other bunks in the other models are short for just little short kids. This actually, a full person could sleep on them. The length is nice. And then you have a nice kitchenette area. I like that big round sink. It's a large size. And
I like where that TV is.
Yep, the TV you can see from wherever you are. Really nice. Then the bathroom is nice too. Right here. Come on in, Debbie. This is lightweight too. This is 4,500 pounds. Forest River.
This is the Forest River.
Yeah.
Yeah. We like Forest River and
We had Forest
and Heartland.
River E-Pro for our first
Yeah.
RV, and then now we have a Heartland Sundance Ultralight, which is made by the same one you saw earlier. So we like both of those companies. And even seeing them against the other companies at the show, it kind of reinforces us particularly liking these 2 companies in their designs, their prices. It's similar to the one we just saw in certain ways. There's a cabinet here for a TV, entertainment area, kitchen, bunks in the back. And that is where the restroom is on this one with the dinette, seating. Now there's no way to close the bunks off though, you have to use a curtain. Bathroom, and then the bedroom is one of those where the wall divides it and you just enter on one side or the other. It has a TV mounted right in here too. So this is a very inexpensive one compared to the other places that we've seen in here. $27,000.
That's a really good option.
Yeah, definitely. I think this is a good one too. It's a light color. If you prefer the lighter colors, it's like a grayish whitewash. Very pretty. So normally you would have a TV there. Okay, let's go see some more. This is essentially like the one we just saw, but I think a little shorter. So the one we just saw was how many feet? 26 feet, and this one's 24, I think someone said. Yeah, so it's 2 feet shorter.
It feels a lot. It feels a lot smaller for some
Yeah,
reason.
the 2 feet make a difference, and this is actually more expensive than the other one, even though it is shorter. So I'm not sure why.